whenever you guys are working in the computer with any software or anything, there is a specific language you have to know to interact with it. For example, as a human being, we are from the different cultures and from different countries, and every country has its own language, right? For example, besides the English, while sometimes I am talking in Urdu, and students are saying, "Sir, please come in the English." So why? Because that students doesn't understand the Urdu. So it's mean that I have to communicate with all of you with the language that is understandable by you guys. In the same way, whenever you guys are working in with the computer with any software or any application, you have to interact with that software application with the language that's supported by that application. So guys, if when you guys have to check the or test the database, so there is a specific language that we have to learn to interact with the database and uh, to work with the database. So that language is known as SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So guys, like if you guys can go through that, it is giving you a different information about the SQL. SQL is a standard language for storing, manipulating, or retrieving data in a databases. Okay, so if you guys can go through to SQL introduction on a SQL intro tab, it will give you the overall introduction about the SQL, and it will give you the detailed overview about the SQL thing. What is
Mm.
SQL is again structured query language. SQL lets you access and manipulate the databases. SQL became a standard of American National Standard Institute in 1986 of the International Organization of Standardization.